All right, hello, John. So hopefully you'll be feeling well to be in class next time. So we'll have a video lesson right here. To start off, you can slowly practice while you're sick the snare warm up. We can start around this BPM, medium stick height and power. Try right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. You can keep that going for a little bit. Just keep that. If you need to slow it down a little bit. Keep it like that, going on for a little bit. Make sure every hit it's consistent with the last one. So each right left it's the same power, same distance. It travels the same distance up and down. So just keep that going for a little bit. Next thing we'll do, give me an around the world. So we'll go 2 2 2 2. Back the other way. You can add some doubles. If you remember right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left. So we'll go low tom, middle tom, high tom with the right hand. The left hand just stays at the snare. So I went low, middle, high, middle, low with the right hand. Left hand just stays right here on the snare. In with the bell, with the kick right there. And then last thing for the warm-up right here, you can give me a 1, 2, 3, 4, but on 3 we'll have an accent. And an accent is just a harder hit right there. So we'll go light taps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you can also add that accent to on 1. You can do it on 2 and 4. So you can go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then change it back to the 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 2 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or add the accent on like 3 and 4. You can get really confusing with this one. So you can just add that heavier hit at any point you want. So just try the 1 2 accent on 3 4. That's like one of the most popular ones right there. 1 2. So there's that one. So now let's recap the Josiah Queen song Demons that we have so far. So pretty much you can divide this song into 2 parts. This first part, which is what we've been trying to go over, ends at the end of chorus 1, which we'll get to right now, and then the rest of the song, that's part 2. So part 1, right here, we start off with the swell to a kick with a crash, if you remember. And you grab it. After that, there it is. Okay, then we have a quick swell right there that's highlighted to a grab. One more time. So the first 2 measures, one more time with those. So all that's highlighted right here, we have the swell into the kick with the crash. And then we have just a swell, which you grab. After that, we get this one where it's kick, 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 4 kicks. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hi-hat on 2 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'll slow it down like we have been, because we haven't done that one at 100% speed just yet. We were getting close though, so I'll go about this speed. Boom, boom. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We can think of it as just 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Just keep that going until you get that one, and then try to speed that one up. Speeding it up, speeding it up, speeding it up. And it's about this tempo. You can also try with the left hand, kick. You can try to go alternating hands, so right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. So just keep that going, figure out which one you want. If you just want to keep that right hand or left hand or both, just try whichever one feels better. So now we have the chorus right here. And this chorus goes on for a long time. There we go. Until 2:07. So from 1 minute 22 seconds to 2 minutes and 7 seconds, we're doing this beat. So all this one is it's a two-handed hi-hat, kick, partners with the right hand. So 1, 2, 1, 2. The right hand, when you hit the kick with the right hand, you do a light tap on the hi-hat, if you remember that one. And then left hand, you strike the hi-hat a little bit harder. So 1, 2, 1, 2. Light hit, soft hit, and then hard hit. Boom, boom. Now that carries on the whole entire time. The only thing that changes is there are crashes here and there in this chorus. So at the beginning, the first beat of the chorus, it's a crash. Then at 137 of the song, there's another crash. 152, there's another crash. So, and that's all the crashes right there. There's 3 crashes in total that you have to hit. And it's this bolded X with the line through it right there. This right here, that X right there, that's just the hi-hat closed. But this X with the bolded line through it, that's the crash right there. So 122, 137, and 152. That's where the crashes are. So at the start right here, you'll go kick with the crash, and then left hand to the hi-hat. And then you start the pattern right there. So it'll be... So that's the pattern right there. You get into it, kick with the crash, left hand hi-hat, right hand kick with the hi-hat, and you just keep it going. Boom, bump, bump, bump. And then say 137 and the song's coming up. Your right hand just goes over, hit the crash, left hand stays here on the hi-hat. So you can just practice that going to the crash in between. So 1, 2, and then crash 2, 1, 2, crash 2. And then a little bit slower with that one. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So kick, kick, 2, kick, 2, kick, 2, kick, 2. And remember, there's only 3 crashes in this, so you only got to do that. Really, you only have to do that 2 times because the first crash, you start with it and go immediately to the hi-hat. So there's only 2 crashes in this at 137 and 152. Yeah, 152 right there, where you got to go from the hi-hat to the crash. So it's 137 coming up and crash. And we'll say 152 is coming up with the crash and crash. And that's all you got to do there. So it just keeps going as long as you can get the hi-hat with the kick, 1 2 1 2 going, you'll be all good for this chorus. Because then all you need is just those other crashes, and that'll be pretty easy, I bet. This takes a little bit of timing. So you can just practice just going to the crash from the hi-hat. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1. The hardest part would be just the kick constantly going and timing that right hand with that kick. 1 2. So just keep that going, and then you'll get it in no time. And then, so after 2 minutes and 7 seconds, we'll get this right here. So it'll be at 2 minutes and 18 seconds. It'll be a kick with the crash. 2 minutes and 26 seconds. Kick with the crash again. 2 minutes and 33 seconds. Into the second course, there's going to be 2 kicks. Kick, kick. And then you go into that second chorus with that 1 2 1 2 1 2 on the hi-hat. Kick on 1. And then there's going to be more crashes here, which we'll get to for the next lesson. And then that'll be pretty much the whole song there. And then we can get a Phil Wickham song that you wanted. So just have fun practicing that. If you just remember, just a quick recap at the beginning: swell, kick with the crash, swell, grab. We have kick, kick, and then kick with the hi-hat. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Then we have the chorus, which is soft hit to a hard hit. 2 1 2. And there's going to be the crashes here and there. The total of 3 crashes. 2 you need to go over from the hi-hat. First one, left hand stays on the hi-hat. Third one, here it comes. And then you just keep that going until the end. So just practice getting from the hi-hat to the crash. And those other beats, especially that, just remember the hi-hat is on 2 and 4. Or just 1 2 1 2. So there's that one. So have fun practicing that. And hopefully you're better for next week. And I'll see you then. All right, bye.